In the gym, you run out of oxygen, and because you have to continue with your exercising, the body, it creates energy through lactic acid, which is another source of energy. The problem with lactic acid is that you only make 2 molecules of energy when you burn lactic acid with oxygen, okay? When you burn glucose with lactic acid. When you burn glucose with oxygen, you make 38 molecules of energy. So 38. So basically in the gym, you're going to go start with the oxygen, you're going to create, some energy, 38 plus 38 plus 38. But then when the lactic acid kicks in and the glucose is, glucogen is burned with lactic acid, there's only going to be 2 molecules. But during the time that lactic acid is present, then your energy you're creating is much less. Plus, you're going to expand energy, so with the virtual gym, you never run out of oxygen. It's going to be 38 plus 38 plus 38 plus 38. So, of course, the energy that you create in the virtual gym, plus you don't expand any, is going to be far more than the energy that you spend in the gym. Now, what is the other problem? You expand energy, you spend energy, right? So you run out, you just get exhausted, you get tired because you spend the energy. With a virtual gym, you don't get tired. You keep on going. So the virtual gym keeps doing it. It's doing it for you. It's doing the it's getting your brain to tell your body to do the contraction, but you don't put any effort to put these contractions. It's the virtual gym that does this for you. Okay. So you can keep going. So one treatment is like doing about 3,000, about 60,000 exercises in 1 hour. How are you going to do 60,000 exercises in the gym? You'll die. You completely collapse. Okay. So the results of the virtual gym is not just you have more energy, but the energy that you have is going to be far more useful in kind of creating far more intense results. Okay, so the virtual is faster in getting you the results, and it's also more efficient. You get more energy. So 1 month in the gym is like 1 month in with a virtual gym. Sometimes 2 months in the gym for some people that don't exercise at all. If you exercise all the time and you have muscle, it's going to be like one treatment is going to be like 10 days in the gym. Depends on the person. But for the average person, it's probably 1 or 2 months in the gym. Because only in 1 or 2 months in the gym, you're going to lose. Of course, how many cm do you lose in the gym after one treatment? 0. How many cm you lose after the virtual gym? At least 4. It should be at least 4. Okay? It should be. Some people lose 16 cm. How many days in the gym is that? If you lose 16 cm, or if you lose 10 cm or 8 cm, how many times in the gym? It's about 3 months in the gym, 4 months in the gym. If you lose that much, how many calories would that be? That would be like 10,000 calories, wouldn't it? Do you understand, how you explain it and how you can get people excited? Yeah.